Hi, and welcome to our 90-second snapshot of tours you can enjoy with Australia in style. In this video, we focus on the accessible Sydney guided walking tour, which you will really enjoy as we have selected the best of Sydney, all within the city centre. You have your own private guide, go at your own pace. There are no steps as your guide shares fascinating stories of Sydney. You are up close to the past and the present, not only historic buildings, but as you skirt the spectacular harbour, you move from the Botanic Gardens to the famous Rocks Precinct with its colourful stories. Along the way, your guide shares stories of Sydney going back thousands of years. Of course, no visit to Sydney is complete without seeing the stunning Sydney Opera House. And we can even arrange an accessible tour for you of the inside with no steps. Just let us know when you book. For your comfort, a complimentary wheelchair is available on request. This tour includes health and safety measures, and to make things really easy, you can book and pay online. We're sure you will come away from this tour with many treasured memories and stories. So click on the link below and head straight to Accessible Tours for more information on this guided accessible Sydney walking tour.